Okay, so here we have DrMIPS open. We can run MIPS assembly language code. We can execute MIPS assembly language code on this simulator, and it provides us different stats related to that simulation. I was supposed to run a loop code on this emulator. So let me just find some loop code. So yeah, I think this should work. Let me just indent it a little bit to make it nicer. And we can assemble it. And non-instruction. Oh, sorry. I think this is some sort of comment. This instruction is not supported by the instruction set. Okay, and now let me just assemble it. So yeah, it has been assembled, and let me just one time. Okay, it's running too. So okay, so what's happening here is we have an instruction where 10 is assigned to in this register, and then we have 0 assigned to this register, and then we have a loop instruction, and what's happening here is it's checking if just as the comment suggests that if both of these registers are same. If these are same, then it will transfer the control to this section, which is the end, and then instructions after this instruction will execute, and then we have an add instruction where we are adding 1 to that register, T1, and then we have a loop, and it's a jump statement where the control is being transferred to this loop and this instruction again. So this will go in a loop. So my roll number is, what's my roll number? It's 820219. So I was supposed to run this loop how many times? Last 2 digits of your roll number. Okay. So last 2 digits of my roll number are 19 times. So apparently I should put 19 here, and this loop will start from 0, and then what will happen is it will check if both the T1 and T0 register values are same. If they are same, then it will transfer the control to this instruction. Otherwise, it will add 1 in the T1 register, which is currently 0, and then it will execute this jump statement, and this jump statement will transfer the control to this statement, loop statement. So this looks fine. I think we should assemble it. And these are the assembled code here. We have some instructions here, and also we have an option of statistics here. Let me just open it too, and let me execute this code one by one, step by step. Sorry. So at the first step, what's happening? We have an instruction where 19 is added to this register T0. So this T0 register has 19 value. Then we are assigning 0 to the T1, and T1 currently also has 0 value, so there won't be a big change. but this instruction will be executed. And now what's happening is this instruction is checking if the both of these values are the values of this register are same, which is not in this case. And then what will happen, we have an instruction of adding 1 in the register T1, and the instruction and the result is saved in T1 register. So now we have 1 here incremented. So again check now this and jump loop transfer control to this instruction, just as I have explained before. And now what will happen is it will again check, add 1 in the T1, we have 2 here, and again the loop control will be transferred to this instruction. So it will happen for until the value has become 19, and I completely run this code. So yeah, see, we have both of these values as 19, and then the program has stopped execution. So let me just reset it now, and now allow me to explain this simulation statistics. So in this simulation, we have a clock period of 930 picoseconds and clock frequency of 1.08. And we on one CPU cycle, we have executed exactly 1 instructions. So cycles per instruction is 1, and for each next cycle we have the same process that is executing exactly 1 instruction per cycle. So and this execution time is being increased after each cycle. So this is basically the result of multiplication of CPU executed cycles and clock period. So at the end, we have this execution time of this program, and it should be the result of multiplication of this value and this value. So the next part of this assignment is run the loop while times while bounded by the last digit of your roll number and reverse order simulation and provide statistics. Okay, and we have statistics window here, and now I am supposed to run this program till 2 times, I think, because my roll number and reverse should be the opposite of this, and it has 2 in the end. So let me just add 2 here, and again, let's just, now we have much less instructions to be explained, and let's just execute assemble it. Okay, assemble. Now at the first instruction, we are adding 2 to T0. 2 is assigned to here, and then we have 0 assigned to 2, 0. 0 is assigned. Now it is checking if the value for these instructions are same, and now it's adding 1 to T1, again checking, adding 2, again checking, control transferred. Now at the end, after the end, there is no code, so the program has stopped execution, and it has total taken 9 cycles, and execution time is the result of 9 multiplied by 930 picoseconds. So yeah, that's it. Thank you. Let me check if there isn't anything else in the assignment. Record this video. Okay, thank you.